The kitchen, often considered the heart of the home, deserves a design that seamlessly blends functionality, comfort, and style. Whether you're embarking on a full-scale renovation or seeking inspiration to enhance efficiency, we've curated kitchen design ideas that promise to optimize your culinary haven. From rustic charm to contemporary elegance, to transforming your kitchen into a space you'll love for years to come. Embrace the warmth of a country casual kitchen by incorporating rustic elements. Think distressed wood accents, farmhouse sinks, and open shelving. This timeless design exudes comfort and invites a sense of nostalgia. Sleek and modern marvel. For a minimalist and contemporary aesthetic, opt for sleek designs with clean lines, stainless steel appliances, glossy cabinets, and a neutral color palette create a modern kitchen that is both sophisticated and functional. Eclectic fusion. Merge styles and eras for a truly unique kitchen. Mix vintage fixtures with modern appliances or introduce unexpected pops of color. An eclectic kitchen showcases your personality and creates a space that is as individual as you are. Gorgeous countertops. Elevate your kitchen's allure with stunning countertop options. Granite, marble, quartz. Choose a material that not only enhances the visual appeal, but also stands up to the rigors of daily use. A beautiful countertop is a statement piece in itself. Statement lighting. Illuminate your kitchen with eye-catching lighting fixtures. Pendant lights above the island, chandeliers over the dining area, or under-cabinet LED lights add a touch of glamour and functionality. Let your lighting choices be a reflection of your style. Unique backsplashes. Transform your kitchen's backdrop with a one-of-a-kind backsplash. From intricate mosaic patterns to textured tiles, the options are limitless. A unique backsplash can be the focal point that ties the entire design together. Embarking on a kitchen building or remodeling project is an exciting journey, but the multitude of decisions that lie ahead can often feel overwhelming. While considerations like flooring, paint colors, and decorative elements are undoubtedly crucial, it's paramount to first set the stage for your culinary haven by defining the overall layout and design approach. Before delving into the finer details of fixtures and fittings, let's navigate the intricate process of creating a kitchen that not only meets your practical needs, but also reflects your unique style. The foundation, layout, and design approach. Before you get lost in the myriad choices for kitchen finishes, take a step back and focus on the fundamental elements, your kitchen's layout and design approach. This sets the tone for the entire space and influences the functionality and aesthetics of your culinary haven. Efficiency meets style. Consider how you move and work in the kitchen. Optimize your layout for efficiency by placing frequently used appliances and workstations within easy reach. Simultaneously, infuse your design with a style that resonates with your personal taste, creating a harmonious blend of practicality and aesthetics. Open concept or defined spaces. Determine whether you prefer an open concept kitchen that seamlessly flows into adjoining living areas or a more defined space with distinct zones. Both approaches have their merits, so choose based on your lifestyle and the atmosphere you want to create. Focal points and flow. Identify focal points within the kitchen. It could be a statement island, a striking backsplash, or a chef-worthy range. Ensure that these elements contribute to a smooth flow throughout the space, enhancing both visual appeal and functionality. Lighting strategy. Craft a lighting strategy that complements your chosen layout and design. From ambient lighting for overall illumination to task lighting over work areas, a well-thought-out lighting plan enhances the practicality and ambience of your kitchen. As you embark on the exciting journey of building or remodeling your kitchen, remember that the decisions you make regarding layout and design set the stage for everything that follows. Take the time to envision how you want your space to function and feel. By prioritizing efficiency, style, and a harmonious flow, you lay the groundwork for a kitchen that not only meets your practical needs, but also becomes a reflection of your personal taste. So, before immersing yourself in the myriad choices of fixtures and finishes, focus on the foundational aspects that will make your culinary space truly exceptional. Your kitchen's design is a testament to your lifestyle, preferences, and culinary passions. Whether you prefer the classic charm of a country kitchen or the sleek elegance of a modern marvel, these design ideas offer inspiration for every taste.